What's up, guys? Welcome back to Ride JBI. I'm JB. Today we finished a JBI Spec WP Exact Pro 6500 kit featuring our JBI Titanium Pro Perch. These forks are being mounted onto a 2024 and a half KTM Factory Edition 450 SXF. These were built to our JBI motocross spec, along with our custom JBI suspension valving that goes into each of these JBI Spec WP Exact Pro 6500 kits. Also feature our JBI Titanium subvalve, and this one again also features our JBI Titanium Pro Perch. RideJBI.com has complete product pages on everything that we have up here. So what I mean by that is our JBI Spec WP Exact Pro kit, meaning if you buy this kit directly from us and how we can provide it to you. We also provide what we did to these forks, so meaning the revalve, in the form of a DIY kit as well. So again, same settings you'd get for a revalve, just sent to you in the form of a DIY kit, something you can install on yourself or have somebody locally install for you. And then again, in this case, this was a revalve service, meaning this gentleman already owned the 6500 kits, so he brought the forks into us, and then we built them to this JBI spec. So again, RideJBI.com has all the details on that, along with the individual parts that are shown here, such as the JBI Titanium Pro Perch. What you'll find is detailed information on what everything does, how it works, and most importantly, what you should expect as a rider when you get your suspension back, and what you expect to feel from it. All parts and services can be found at RideJBI.com.